Hello everyone, I am Yash Rajodia, a VFX artist, creative professional and also an engineer. In this course we will learn logo animation, and in this logo animation we will take logo and we will animate separate parts of that logo. We will apply different keyframes to that logo. Then we will also apply shadow which follows the motion of the logo, which means that it will replicate the movement of your logo. And then we will apply a beautiful looking background to that logo, and this is completely follow along course, which means you will know every single step of the process. So what are you waiting for? Enroll into this course and learn logo animation. Thank you.